हेलो फ्रेंड्स, जैसे कि हमने कल पढ़ा था प्रोसेसर, इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड द ब्रेन ऑफ द कंप्यूटर। फिर उसके बाद हमने पढ़ा था टाइप्स ऑफ प्रोसेसर। फिर उसके बाद हमने पढ़ा था प्रोसेसर के स्पेसिफिकेशन देखे थे हमने। फिर उसके बाद हमने पढ़ा था प्रोसेसर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनी। फिर उसके बाद हमने पढ़ा था हिस्ट्री ऑफ प्रोसेसर। आज हम पढ़ेंगे सेकेंडरी स्टोरेज। Secondary storage provides permanent or non-volatile storage using a secondary storage device such as a hard disk. Data and programs can be written after the computer has been shut off. Hard disk. Hard disk is the non-volatile permanent storage device uses a magnetic media for a storage data, and hard disks save files alternating and magnetic charges of the disk surface to represent is the and OS. History of hard disks. The first hard disk drive were small in capacity, physically large and expensive when compared to the cost of drives today. They were about 4 inches tall, 5.25 inches wide and 8 inches long, and they weighed almost 10 pounds. In 1981, IBM introduced the XT computer with a 10 MB hard drive, Winchester drive. Types of hard disks. PATA, Parallel Advanced Technology Attachment, having a 40 pins. And SATA hard disk, Serial Advanced Technology Attachment. It is a pinless hard disk drive. SATA Molex connector used for a power. RPM is 7200. SATA is capable of data transfer speed 150, 360, 600 megabytes and to 6 GB second. SSD Solid State Drive. Solid state storage device have a no moving parts. Data and information are stored and retrieved electronical direct from this device. It is a new hard disk than other more costly and high speed HDD. It is a pinless hard disk like a SATA Molex used for power. SATA data cable use. Types of SSD. There are 4 types of SSD: SATA SSD, NVMe SSD, PCI SSD, and M2 SATA SSD. SCSI Small Computer System Interface. It is hot swap hard disk used in server. It is available in 15 and 17 pins. Pinless also access the speed 6 GB plus. What is the partition? Disk partition is the process of logically dividing the storage space of hard disk into separate areas commonly called as partition or drives. There are 3 types of partition. First, primary. Second, extended. Third, logical. Formatting is the process creating a file system on the partition. A file system tells how the files and folders to be created are stored and retrieved. FAT16 used in Windows 98. FAT32 used in Windows 98 XP, Vista, Win 7, NTFS use of Windows XP, Vista, Win 8, Win 10, Server OS operating system. Thanks for watching.